Hey everybody, Stephen Sitkowski, leading educator on how to trade the financial markets. So just got back doing a 3-day class in Denver. So during that workshop, I showed the students how to find a trade and how to execute a trade. And one of the trades we were looking at was on a company called Ulta. So that's the beauty supply company. I'm sure you've seen them in the malls. So I'm going to pull up the chart and I'm going to show you what the trade looked like, because this is a trade I'm actually in right now. And I want you to sort of see the mechanics and the reasoning behind it. So let's go to the chart. All right, so this is Ulta. Ulta is trading for $265 a share. So if you were to buy this stock, obviously it would be very expensive. So instead we're going to use call options, because in this case we believe that Ulta is going higher. So what is the rationale behind that? Well, as we look at the chart, it just kind of floated around up here around the low threes, got up to 365, 350, dropped below the moving average, and boom, this stock fell. And it came all the way down here to where it was trading, the low was like 2.25, and then it started forming this rounded bottom. So at the same time we saw the stochastic down here at the bottom turn green, we saw the MACD turn green, and this rounded bottom, which is a very bullish sign. So if you wanted to be able to go in and take a trade on that, so we were looking just a couple of days ago. So let's go and let me show you how to be able to backtest the results on this thus far. Now, it's not going to include today, but in any event, so the trade was executed on Monday, and let's see here. So if we went in, and the way that we do call options is we typically go out about 90 days. So January is 109 days, and actually, I did December on this. Yeah, 81 days out. Look for a delta around 30. Those of you that have been in my classes know what I'm talking about. Those of you that haven't are going to need to do that at some point. And I'll make an announcement on how to get into classes somewhere down the road. And if we looked at this trade, well, see, it hasn't finished out the day yet. I can tell you that as of one day, this trade was up about 70%. So Ulta jumped today. In fact, as of today, this stock is up for the day 15 points. So a $15 move, a 3% move on a price of a stock will result in anywhere from a 30 to 60% type return. So it just all happened like instantly, which is fantastic for an option trader. So I've already moved my stop loss orders up. So basically now, no matter what this stock does, I've locked in a profit of probably 30 or 40%. But the key ideas here and the key elements are just really understanding this chart. MACD green, stochastic green, crossed above the moving average, and it wouldn't surprise me to see Ulta move back to before the gap. You know, there's an old saying in our business that stocks tend to fill the gap, and the last gap was around 320. I mean, if that happens, the return on this is going to end up being 300 or 400%. Now, by the way, that's not a prediction. I'm just telling you, it wouldn't surprise me if that happened. If any of you are new to my channel, please subscribe, click on the notification bell every time I post something new. And in the financial markets, time is critical. You will be notified. So until next time, have an awesome day. Thanks for stopping in. God bless. Bye for now.